Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download your TRB, commonly called your TAR book, that is your training record book, from the new DG shipping portal. Let's begin. If you are a GP rating, deck, engine or saloon, or you have an Open CDC as a rating, this video is for you. You can download your TRB directly from your login portal, and I'll explain everything step by step. Now before we start, one important update. Earlier, we were using the DG shipping website www.dgshipping.gov.in, but this website is being phased out. Now the new official portal is www.dgma.gov.in. This works along with the e-Samudra system. So in this video, I'll show you the process using the new portal. First, open your browser, Chrome or Firefox. I recommend Firefox as government portals usually work more smoothly on it. Now type www.dgma.gov.in. Press enter. The new DGMA portal will open. As you can see, the portal looks completely new. Now let's proceed. Go to the top menu bar. Click on IT and e-Governance. A drop-down will open. Under External Links, click on e-Governance. A new window will open. This will take you to the login page, which is integrated with the e-Samudra portal. Now log in using your indos number and password. Once logged in, your dashboard will open. Now go to Seafarer Details. At the top, you will see the department option. Select your department carefully. Deck arrow, nautical, engine arrow, engineering. After that, go to the Documents section. Click on Upload Documents. A new window will open. Now scroll down. You will find the Training Record Book section. Read the instructions carefully. Then go to point number 3. The candidate should download the training record book. Scroll further. You will see different TRB options: navigational watch, deck, engine room watch, other categories. Select the correct one as per your department. Now click on Click to download. Wait a few seconds. Your TRB will open. Now save the file. Right-click and click Save. Rename it with your name if needed. If printing, always use color format. It is clearer and recommended. Now your TRB is successfully downloaded. Important point: you do not need C time to download TRB. You can download it anytime. But for watchkeeping certificate, GP rating minimum 6 months C service. Open CDC / non-GP rating minimum 15 months C service. Now let's quickly understand what's inside the TRB. Page 1. Personal details. Name, INDOS, CDC, DOB, photo and company certification. Page 2. Guidelines plus C service record format. Page 3. C service continuation plus review by master and STO. Page 4. Steering, compass and helm orders. Page 5. Lookout duties and watchkeeping basics. Page 6. Communication, alarms and watch handover. Page 7. Navigation lights, shapes, call reg basics, environmental protection. Page 8. Emergency procedures, fire, MOB, abandoned ship, first aid. Page 9. Steering certificate. Page 10. Bridge watchkeeping certificate, minimum 240 hours. Page 11. Port watchkeeping certificate. Now very important, before joining your ship as a trainee, you should already have this TRB printed. All tasks must be completed on board. Make sure all sections are filled properly. Signatures from OOW/officers are taken. Master stamp is done. While applying for watchkeeping certificate, you will upload the scanned TRB. If anything is incomplete, your application may get rejected. So fill everything carefully. In the next video, I'll explain how to apply for the watchkeeping certificate step by step. If this video helped you, share it with your batchmates and friends. Follow Sailor Rider for more real maritime guidance. See you in the next one.